Houston, Tranquility Base here. The Eagle has landed.
Roger, Tranquility. We copy you on the ground. You got a bunch of guys about to turn blue. We're breathing again. Thanks a lot.
Welcome, everyone. As of July 20th, 2020, PhOENIX, the physics of entanglement, networks, and information exchanges, is launching an exhaustive one-month search for 3 diamond researchers. We are seeking a computer scientist who enjoys programming, an experimental physicist who enjoys engineering, and a theoretical physicist who loves pure mathematics. In 2012, we launched a similar endeavor with limited success. However, after 8 more years of deeper development, which has produced a library of unpublished research, we are bursting at the seams to train a small, fierce team of PhOENIX Firebirds. Because diversity creates innovation, hey, I am a black gay man, we are limiting this first search to lesbian, gay, bisexual, transgender, queer plus community of scientists, engineers, and free thinkers. Additionally, because the learning curve is quite large, we are primarily interested in energetic, youthful thinkers. As Yoda teaches, you must unlearn what you have learned. Given this, there are a few things that I'd like every candidate to already be familiar with, namely some undergraduate physics and maths. That includes quantum theory, general relativity theory, fluid dynamics, calculus, of course, matrix mechanics, combinatorics, topology, graph theory, and number theory. And additional bonus points if you are great with both groups and Galois. I don't require expertise in these subjects, just a good working familiarity and some limited problem-solving skills, because we'll teach the rest. Now, if you're seeking the computer scientist position, then please let me know the extent of your computer programming skills. For the experimental physicist, let me help me to appreciate your experimental acumen and what apparatus you've constructed. And if you're applying for the theoretical physics position, I'd love to discover your research projects and, of course, your approaches to theoretical problem solving. And for all applicants, what do you desire to accomplish as a PhOENIX Firebird? So, what is PhOENIX anyway? And why should I care or even give a damn? In one poetic interpretation, PhOENIX sees the universe as a formless sandbox whose mathematical tools enables any child of the sand to create pattern realities in the sand. So, if you're a computer scientist, your sandbox might be developing programming languages, and your question might be, what is the most efficient universal language? Is it C++, Python, JavaScript? What language both minimizes programming effort while simultaneously maximizing programming results? If you're an experimental physicist, your sandbox might be developing mechanisms for space travel, and your question might be, how do we engineer devices that both control gravity, which of course includes anti-gravity, as well as create faster-than-light propulsion? And if you're a theoretical physicist, your sandbox might be developing fundamental mathematical languages for physics, and your question might be, what is the theory of quantum gravity? So, what are PhOENIX's tools? Now, sometimes I feel that PhOENIX is like Batman, whose unique tool belt enables us to defeat a whole host of criminal misunderstandings. And you'll probably agree that there are a lot of jokers in Gotham City. But like Batman, you'll have to be on our team to discover our tool belt. That's what this search is all about in the first place, right? In addition to certain skills, your character is simply the most important qualification. Who are you? That being said, we are all strangely flawed, some more gracefully than others. In light of this, I am not searching for Underkants, if you are real, if you are honest about your flaws, which may surprisingly become our collective blessing, if you have a diversity of ideas, interests, and experiences that compels your personal growth, and if you definitely enjoy working with a small, dedicated team of good, creatively inspired folk, then PhOENIX wants you.